Hey guys, it's Alik over here at the beautiful Shulman dragon fruit orchard, and today is middle of January 2026. We're gonna be covering the topic today: how to handle the cactus rust and fungus on your plants. Okay, specifically we're gonna be talking about dragon fruit, and of course everyone who is growing right now during the winter time facing that issue with the fungus, root rot, and cactus rust. It's a lot of issue happening during the cold and high humidity, and specifically, during the winter time. But definitely, sun is the best. Healing natural source as well as for people. I'm so happy. Most of the time I spend on the sun and I feel great. But definitely, I see the improvement on my plants when the 2 weeks ago was the heavy rain and cold, and sun definitely helps them to heal. But still lots of issues. As soon as we pull all the plants right now, you can see still a huge pile of plants that we need to bring to my main land over here, I would say, when we need to put the additional weed barriers. So we definitely have to treat them. So we're going to cover today. Again, my name is Alik. Wherever you guys new people in my channel, welcome to all of you around the world. So happy seeing you. So happy to subscribing to my channel. And please just click like button, notification button, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be happy to go with your starting journey growing dragon fruit plants or any other plants, or just sharing the videos from around the world. Okay, so here we are. I'm just gonna show you, the first I got the nice tools, I got the shears, and wherever you move from plant to plant, I do use the 90% alcohol. You can get it in any thrift store, CVS, Thrifty, and so basically that will kill the whole bacteria whatever you may transfer from another plant. Okay, so I'll show you the first step, actually, how to handle before you apply any fungicide material. You can remove some of the damaged branches. Like I got a couple examples today. One is the CDBD. It's a chameleon double black diamond, which has a little bit rust in the middle of the plant, and moon cactus root system over here on the right, which has as you can see rust and fungus that affected the new branches. They're very fragile, and definitely it could really get to them very easy. So those, okay, I already spray my shears, and I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna try to save some of the branches, but definitely those the young one, and they'll go away. Okay, so this one is gonna be nice and trimmed, and whatever's falling on the floor, I'll pick it up, zip it up in the bag, and it will go to the trash container. Even the top one, this one, let it go. So I'll keep those 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna spray them right now because they least damaged. They least damaged right now, so they perfectly conditioned. Couple tiny rusty spot, but I'm gonna put my the hazmat suit, just to prevent from overspraying the material. I'm going to show which material I'm going to have to use to foliar spray of my plants. Okay, but if you do have the root system problem, you definitely need to apply completely different material to give extra energy to the plant to heal and kill the bacteria that is in the root system. Okay, that's going to be completely different topic. Okay, so, and as you can see, the rust is happening over here as well on the spot, and I'm just going to show you multiple plants. Those two I'm going to put aside. We're going to spray. I'm going to put aside so they can feel a little bit far away. Excuse me. You can see over here on this Asunta 5 white. So basically what I've done, you see this black spot over here, so it's been already healed by the sun, but I'm going to spray right now one more time, so just to make sure it's everything not going to spread. Okay, so I usually mark down with my Sharpie, and it's burst sharp. You know, if you have questions, you know where to get this one, let me know. Okay, so I'm getting this from my supplier of the shipping boxes, supplier, everything. Okay, so I do circle the area just to make sure that the new rust will not spread, the fungus will not spread to any different areas. So, and when I circle around, my goal is to heal it within that circle. Okay, so the fungus should not go farther after my application, and it's gonna work. Okay, so I'm just gonna go a couple more plants over here. So this one is at the bottom, so I just circle before I spray. I want to make sure that everything stays within the circle after my application. Okay, so I just cover this one, couple spots over here, and as well as the purple down over here. I see some spots. No, actually purple down is good. Which was another plant? Okay, here we go. The Asunto 5 Paco. See, I put the circles already, and now we're gonna apply the fungicide. I'm gonna let you know which materials I'm using, and so far so good. Some people use the commercial sprayers. Okay, so you have to get licensed to get those materials for commercial fungicide, and it works as well great. And then you have to do certain like reports and everything to if your farm located near the school, so that needs to be a specific item. We already spoke in the previous videos. Okay, so I'm gonna change right now, put my mask, goggles, and definitely stay with me. You're gonna see me how I'm prepared before I spray. And before you apply fungicide or any foliar spray, you know, even though you put the fertilizers spray or something, you got make sure you protect your face, you protect your eyes, put the gloves, and always, you know, pay attention to the weather. So either you're gonna do it early in the morning before the sun is rising, and just make sure it's not humid night, you know, because if you're gonna spray it over, it's gonna mix with the water, and will reduce the effect on the skin itself. So I prefer to do it couple hours before the sunset. Right now it's a great weather, you know, nice cloudy. As you can see, the sun is not very strong. It's not gonna burn the spray, it's not gonna magnify and burn my materials with the plants, so should make a good effect. It's as well as a little bit windy, so you have to make sure, you know, when you spray, the wind is going towards me right now, so definitely if I'm going to be spraying, I'm going to be spraying together with the wind, so no effect. And as well, so make sure you're not going to spray against the wind. Okay, so one more very important part: when you spray your fungicide or any other material, just stay away from the fruit. You know, if your fruit is great condition, no issues with the fruit over here, so you don't have to spray the fruit. So that's a perfect, you know, point. You know, you need to spray aside. And those tiny ones, you know, those tiny that we call a fish eye, the round cactus rust, you know, they're going to be okay to handle, and definitely you can just remove them by nail, or you can take care of them as well with the material. Okay, so I do like I'm going to show you some of the areas that some of the branches that get the flesh is already dying, and it's get affected by the fungus. Okay, so I'll show you. Where is this? Okay, over here. Yeah. So this area, see, like I can remove those branches and throw it away. Okay, but just in case, if you have like flowers or fruit, it's going to be happening in the during the summertime, and you definitely need to save. You need to save the branch. Okay, and it has extra branches, so it has a flower bud. So what I do remove it. Just spray it right now with alcohol. So the sharp part of your shears. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a little bit close over here. So the sharp part of you can use the knife, or you can use the shears. So I'm just gonna slide in and go along the branch, okay? As you can see, it's gone, okay? And this part is gone, and it should be nice and clean. The sun will heal, the wind will heal that wound, okay? Here we go. So, and keep it nice and clean, okay? As long as your core is inside the branch, as long as your core is not affected, you guys fine, you guys safe, okay? This is all just a flash. This is all protection, okay? So this one is gonna go. This one is gonna go, okay? The ends over here is gonna go as well, okay? This one, bye-bye, okay? And the rest I can slice. The rest I can slice and leave it for the new branches to grow, and hopefully we'll have the life to give away, to have it. Okay, here we go. Bye-bye, little tiny pin. Okay, so I'm gonna change right now to the safety gears, and we'll show you how to spray and everything. Okay, guys, stay with me in a second. Be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. As you can see, I have the respirator, okay, mask. I have the face shield. I got the sprayer over here, right? Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I got my the goggles as well. Okay, so I'm gonna wear the gloves, and just gonna show you. So I have a nice little pump right now. So you can use different materials. You can use the copper. Okay. Those sells in the Home Depot, Lowe's, any store, you know. You can start with a copper fungicide, which is going to be working fine with your cactus rust and fungus on your plants. Okay, so this one you can read all the labels and what's killed, and the next one would be a little bit higher, you know, effect. That's a neem oil. Okay, so those I mark it down. I have like 2 tablespoons per gallon. Okay, 2 tablespoons per gallon, and it's the same. It's concentrated material. When you go to the store, very important, you know, some of the bottles is ready to spray, so they're ready to spray. Some of them concentrated, cost much more money, but you use a tiny little bit. You use 2 tablespoons, very tiny amount, and you have to mix it in the 1 gallon spray. Or actually, if you use tiny bottles, you calculate based on the amount of the water you're gonna spray. You don't need a lot like I use over here. I mix in 2 gallon big containers. This one, okay, you can see it over here, and I mix it, and I pump it, and I pump it, and that's perfect. You see? Oh wow! See, the wind is blowing that direction, so I can spray. So I'm gonna apply right now to all my plants that has the affected by copper fungicide and by fungus, and I'm gonna spray right now and see within the week. I have to come back and check the marks that I applied with the marker I have over here. So, and I circle all the areas, and my goal is do not go over, so the fungus will not spread over my the marker. Okay, and it has a good coverage. As soon as you can buy this as well, the 2 gallon pumping machine, very simple, you know. And I'm just gonna spray over here. It goes very, very fast. Okay, and this area you can see now it's a great time to apply this, and it's gonna dry very fast, and hopefully, you know, it will not spread more than we have it over here. Okay, that's it. So basically it's gonna be totally okay with the plant. It's gonna dry, it's gonna build the callus on the top of the flesh, on the top of the branches, eventually it will dry, it could fall off, it's going to be some protection, it's going to turn brown and black, and it's not affecting the plant at all. Okay, so we're fine with this, and it's not going to increase the burn to the plant. So this is the time of the winter time in California that we need to deal with all this fungus with all our dragon fruit plants. Okay, so guys, I really appreciate for your support. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It's wind starting. I'm going to continue to spray right now, and hopefully within the week I'm going to check if it's all going to stop. I'll definitely keep you updated, and everything should work like every year we're dealing with this. Again, appreciate your subscription to my channel. The year just started, and started good with lots of fruit, and definitely very soon coming flowering season, and then again harvesting of the dragon fruit, farmers markets. Lots of cool videos gonna come over, and you're gonna be happy to see it. Peace, you guys. Love you all around the world. Alik, NatureWithAlik YouTube channel. Please subscribe, write me any comments, whatever you need to help with. And I'm over here. Welcome to Southern California. We'll be happy to see you. Bye bye.